Finished compost from a garden center can cost $8 to $15 per bag, and one raised bed can take 10 bags or more. But you can make compost for free from materials you're probably already throwing away. With the right method, kitchen scraps and garden waste can become finished compost in as little as 30 days. Here's how. The secret is the carbon to nitrogen ratio, moisture, and frequent turning. Cold composting takes months because it's passive. Hot composting speeds everything up by creating ideal conditions for microbes to break material down fast. You need two ingredient types, greens and browns. Greens are high in nitrogen, like fruit and vegetable scraps, fresh grass clippings, coffee grounds, and fresh plant trimmings. Browns are high in carbon, like dry leaves, cardboard, straw, newspaper, and paper bags. Aim for about 3 parts browns to 1 part greens by volume. Build your pile at least 3 feet by 3 feet. That's the minimum size needed to hold the heat that drives fast decomposition. Layer your materials as you build. A few inches of browns, then greens, then more browns. Water each layer until the pile feels like a wrung-out sponge. Moist, but not dripping. If the balance is right, the pile should heat up within 24 to 48 hours. The center should feel hot, around 130 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That heat helps kill weed seeds and pathogens. I'll put a link in the description to a compost thermometer that can help. Turn the pile every 2 to 3 days. Turning adds oxygen, which restarts microbial activity. If the pile stops heating, it may need more nitrogen or moisture. If it smells like ammonia, add more browns. These issues are easy to fix. After about 30 days of regular turning, the compost should be dark, crumbly, and earthy smelling, with the original materials mostly unrecognizable. If you still see chunks, sift them out and add them to the next batch. Never compost meat, dairy, or diseased plants. And if you can, build a second bay so new material has a place to go while the first pile finishes. I'll leave helpful product links and my garden planner in the description. Are you composting already, or have you been meaning to start? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more practical gardening content, and if this helped, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel.